Hey everyone, welcome to the Waiver channel. Today I'll show how to run multiple programs on Windows 10 and 11. First, search for Sandboxy, open the first site, click Download for Windows. Open the file and install the program. Click OK, then Next 5 times, and finally Install. Now let's say we want to launch Zoom. Here are two. We launched the first, but can't start a second as one's already running. To launch another Zoom, go to Sandboxy, create a new standard sandbox. Then go to Zoom, open and copy its file location. In Sandboxy, click Start, Start Program, Browse, and select Zoom. Click OK. And now we've launched another Zoom. That's all for today. This was Stav. Like and subscribe to the channel. Have a great life. Good luck to all. Goodbye, everyone.